Hello, in this class I'll be teaching you how to do array. Array is simply arrangement of objects in a particular order. And a polar array or circular array is arrangement of objects in a circular order. In another video, I will teach you other types of array. But tonight I want it to be a short video and I want it to be straight. We'll be looking at polar array. Okay, so I will use the three examples I have here to show you how to do polar array. First, let's start with this. How do we arrange an object in a circular format in this manner? Let's reproduce this. We can just draw a circle. We can just draw a circle, and then we do a line. We do a line. We can start from here and then do say a short line. Okay, so this is what we want to array in a circular pattern. So we go to array. You can see array here, or you can go to modify and pick array. Still go to polar. Okay, then watch the command line. Say select object. What do you want to array? We select the whole of this. Enter. Then the command line also says specify center. Where do you want to be the center of the reference point? We want it to be somewhere here. Want this to be the center of the array. So I click here, and of course, the AutoCAD will give you a preview. Okay. Now we want this array to be say 20. So I type 20, enter. So it arrays. I think it overlaps. So this one is not up to 20. This are so if I want to it not to overlap, I can say 18. Okay, still overlap. So I can say 15. So you say this time it doesn't overlap. Okay, but the most important thing is just to show you how you can, arrange an object in a circular form. Just decide, of course, if you are drawing something, you already know the number of objects you want to be arrayed, and then you just do it in that particular order. So that's that. You can play around this array 13 objects, 15 objects, 12 objects. It will just give you different spacing. Okay, that's that. Then let's look at this. Let's look at this. Let's look at this. You want to array something like a brush. You want to array something like this. We still start. Remember that is arranging object in a circular form. So we start with a circle where we want it to. We just do a circle. Okay, and then I will do another circle here. Make sure you locate a quadrant. If your AutoCAD is not showing this quadrant yet, you pointed your mouse at the circle, it's not giving you a quadrant. Just come here and then select, make sure that this quadrant is selected. Once it's selected, you'll be able to locate a quadrant, okay? So we pick at the quadrant and draw a small circle. Draw a small circle. Okay, remember that what we are working with it is an arc. So I can still come, let me come from the center and then draw a line that will pass through the quadrant, and then I use trim to eliminate here, remove here, remove here, remove here, and then remove the rest of the line. What I just want to remain is this arc because that is what we are going to array. Okay, so I go back again to array, polar array, select what you want to array, select this. That's what I want to array, enter. Then I locate the center of this circle. Remember that is we're arraying at the center. Make sure you locate the center. So I click on center. AutoCAD still give me preview. Okay, so I can come here, items, I can say 80, enter. So you see, it has, depending on the spacing, you can use less than 80 or more than 80. Of course, if you want to get exactly this, you have to be able to count the number of individual brush and then get exactly. I didn't want to count it, so that's why I just use 80 randomly. Okay, so that's that. And then finally, let's try to reproduce this. Okay, very quickly, let's get this last one done. Okay, we still start with a circle, and then to get this arc, we do another circle. Make sure we locate the quadrant here, and when we do this circle, we use trim to bring it down to an arc. We use trim to bring it down to an arc. Then we now go to array, select polar, select this arc, enter. Then we locate the center of the circle. We locate the center of the circle, and then AutoCAD already give us a preview. Okay, so we now come here and say, let's say 14. Okay, so AutoCAD arrays it 14 places. Okay, so we now go to modify, click on trim, and then trim off these places. Trim off these places. Okay, so we get it out, and then the next is to get this inner line. So we go to circle again and look at the center. Very important. Don't start until, just move your mouse until you get the center. Then we draw a circle, and then we go in and get another circle, the second circle. We locate we move our mouse until we get okay, we get the center, and then we draw this circle, and then I get here. I need to get the third circle. I still move my mouse, get the center, and then I get the third circle. Okay, so to get these small circles, we use this middle line, get a circle here, and okay, we are ready circle now. Select it, locate the center of the circle, click on it. AutoCAD give us preview, and then we go to items and select, say, want the object to be 8. We select 8 and say enter. So you see AutoCAD has already to 8 places. So what you simply need to do is to remove this line we used to get those circles, and then we're able to reproduce this. Okay, so it's as simple as this. It's as simple as this. What you simply need to do is to practice again and again, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and you will master it. Okay, so what you need to do right now is to like, share, and subscribe, because I'm dropping 2 more videos this very week, and I drop 2 to 3 videos every single week. You want something you want me to handle, drop it at the comment section. If there's something you don't understand, drop it at the comment section, and I'll get across to you. If you want to join my WhatsApp group, where, so that you'll be first to know for any video I drop, so we can ask a personalized question, why not drop it in a comment and I'll send you the link. Thank you for being part of this video. Thank you.